In this video, we are going to see that if your slideshows are not changing or not advancing automatically to the next slide, no matter how many times you have checked the settings and you have made all the changes, but it still kind of doesn't work. So here is how you can easily fix that. First of all, let's go to the transitions and let's say that we have applied the push effect. So this means the next slide should come in this way. And we have set it to all, applied it to all. We have set the slide duration, how it comes, and we have set all the advanced option that after 1 second, the slide should change. We can enable the mouse click as well. First of all, you have to make sure that you have applied this to all slides. And once we have done that, we can also confirm by clicking on any random slide to see if they have the same advanced slide settings. And after that, even if we play this, you will notice that it doesn't change and it is staying on the same slide for a very long time. So what is this issue? Let's see. And suddenly, maybe it starts working like this one. It starts working, but it doesn't seem to work at the first place. The problem might be that if you have inserted any kind of video that is played automatically or any kind of audio attached to it, like this one, you have to delete that, because either you have to uncheck the automatic playing option or otherwise just remove it completely, because it will not change to the next slide until this is played fully. So that is the only problem. Now let's try it again, and it is easily changing. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.